C1, C2, C3. In between which I need to update here and here.
C3. Oh, sorry, C2.
No, initially it was right. C3. So we are taking the damaged part and
Okay.
we are repairing it. Good. So C3 to C2. Again, that is the interview question.
So damaged part will be refurbished.
Yeah. Damaged part you will repair. Okay. So everything is fine. I will just update some cost. Some more cost. So I will go to operation. So I will update some operations here. Let's say open the head cover, remove the failure bearing, remove the gasket. It's very general activity. No need to focus on that. Let's replace the bearing, replace the gasket. Yeah, gasket. Assemble the head cover. Assemble it. Yeah, and I am adding one more activity, that is inspect the pump. So once we have done our activity, third party vendor will come to check that pump we have what activity we have done, it's okay or not. So here I will show you the scenario of PM03 control key. And don't got confused with this order type with control key PM03. Okay. This control key means PM01 is internal labor, PM02 is contract labor, and PM03 external vendor. So I will update PM03. Just enter. So system will give error. External operation, please enter material group. Okay. I will enter one material group. Enter. Please enter
Material
purchasing.
group means
Yeah. Basically, the material group means the vendor who is responsible or authorized to perform the maintenance or to inspection or everything. He should be authorized for that material group. So if you see, there is some drives, connector, monitor, electric supply, casing. So material management team has divided materials with some groups for cost tracking purpose. Steel. So not each and every vendor will provide you the electronics component. There should be some particular vendor who is authorized to provide this. No other vendor can provide pump. Only Bosch or Rexroth or even some at Vickers. Some companies, some particular vendors will deliver this component. So they have categorized it with material group, right? Okay. So I will just enter. Okay. So here we have updated external activities. Okay. And to whom we will inform. So there is only one I have seen, the service entry sheet, means what I can say, material agreement, you can say service agreement or vendor agreement. So I am just updating this. So in real time, there will be thousands of vendors who will come to your company and you will find their details in service numbers. Okay. Hours. Gross price is so I will go back Everything is okay. So I will save this. So before saving, just check cost 0000. Everything is 0.
What about that 100 cost? Like estimated cost is 500.
Yeah. That will come. That will come. Once we save, we release, we confirm time confirmation, we done the goods moment. You will see in each and every step. I will open that and I will show you. Okay. So let me do one thing. I will, for your better understanding, I will add one stock atom. So replace the bearing. So let me add some component here. One pump is there. Okay. Bearing case, one nose. It's stock atom. Okay. Operation. So let's see. We have one comes automatically, right? We have not added this. This is the batch, is damage, and this is we have added. So just I will do permit. Okay. So for PM04, we have not, okay, for this is, there is no equipment material, so no permit is required. Okay. You wish to cancel maintenance? Yes. Okay. And I will release it. Okay. So release, save. Okay. So 817428. So I will go to /n IW32. And copy that word. Okay. So till that maintenance activity. Okay. So I will just open the costing data. Let's see some moment has done or not yet. And once order generated, we will start to process repairing activity of the pump. But to repair, we required bearing case. See, plan cost, external service, internal material, overhead, and spare own production, like this. This cost has been updated here. So here, some internal material we consume, external services we required. So system got updated. So it will go from FICO, cross-functional model FICO. Okay. So to proceed, we want this bearing case. So first, we will go to the store. So what we need? We need to check what is reservation for bearing. So we need to go to the store and we need to issue that bearing. Okay. This is reservation. Okay. Once you go to the store with this reservation number, they will issue. I will issue right now. Okay. Before that, let's see what happens with our pump. Okay. So general data, there is also reservation. Okay. So system has given single reservation. So once I open, yeah. So this is first and this is second. Okay. Okay. Let me go back. Okay, purchasing P is not a non-stock item. So they are mentioning it's a stock item. So it's available in your, okay. Okay, two scenario we have seen here. What about this PM03? This is external vendor will come to the inspect. So I need to give them some amount. So this will track via PR, purchase requisition and purchase order. So where I will get that. So just select, go to actual data. And here you will get purchase requisition. So reservation, then PR for external vendor, or you can say PM03 control key. So this is the PR number. So what material team will do? They will convert that PR to PO. They will issue that reservation to us with a goods issue. So here will be GI. So once GI done, we will get one material document. After GI, what will get? Material document number. And after PR, we will get PO, purchase order. So let's start processing of MM activity. So first we will issue the goods. So goods issue is very simple. /n MIGO goods issue GI 261 moment time. Just enter our order. Enter. You will get two components. Okay. So if you see here, first component, it's already grayed out. Okay. So it's damage. Okay. So I will show you how this damage component movement will be done. So right now, I will start with the bearing case. I will issue the bearing case. Okay. Check. Okay, document open, just post or save, two options. You can click on post or save. So the goods issue means you will bring the bearing case. Now. Okay, document is there. I will just copy it. Material document. This is the document. Again, there is external. Okay, I will show you this after our activity. Okay, so we have bring the bearing case. Right now, my people will start working on that repair activity. So what we will do? /n IW41. My people has completed the activity. I need to confirm their activity. So this is order, and I will just purpose date propose. Okay, these are the, okay, it's a refurbishment order. My plant is this. Okay, I will just enter. So all operations I get except inspection. So this activity will be performed by external. I will select the quickly. I will final over clear reservation. Okay, work done.